Hey, it's Valerie,
And Lindsay.
and today we are going to be singing The Way I Am by Ingrid Michaelson. And yes, I know you all are going to say, you've heard it before by us, but it's different because we're more mature and more older.
And we might have different voices, so we're trying to, listen to the difference.
Yeah, so here we go.
If you were falling, then I would catch you.
You need a light, I'd find a match, 'cause I love the way you say good morning, and you take me the way I am. If you are chilly, here, take my sweater. Your head is achy, I'll make it better, 'cause I love the way you call me baby, and you take me the way I am. I'd buy you Rogaine when you start losing all your hair. So on patches to all you tear, 'cause I love you more than I could ever promise, and you take me the way I am. You take me the way I am. You take me the way I am. Thanks for watching.